After the state government has finally decided to reduce the price of fuel today, the 16th of February 2021, the Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles has also decided to conclude its agitation and resume transport services from tomorrow, the 17th of February 2021. However, the Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles will continue to monitor the matter of the fees related to commercial transport vehicles that are to be paid to the government.
Fully supporting the 48 hours stay of the road protest called by the MJACCV. It was a clear picture that the public is not happy with the steep rise of the fuel prices in the state. We expected the government to respect the voice of the people. It is the protest by the poor people. Till now, the government has not respond us. We are surprised because with all other major issue of the state, there has never been any positive response from the state government. So if the governments continue to remain silent, we will continue with our agitation, keeping in mind not to trouble the public. But just now we have heard from the media that the Chief Minister has announced a total of rupees 7.4 cut down on fuel prices. So far we accept this arrangement, and other issue will be discussed by the opposition in this few days. So we already decided today itself to withdraw the 48 hours protest, stay of the road protest. We will also like to announce here today that we will withdraw the strikes on local taxi, commercial vehicle, which have been going on for nearly 2 weeks, which only because it has affected huge by the livelihood of the common man.